Hey guys, another little video for you tonight. Little projects that I build, these little wooden boxes that I like to put projects in every now and again. Well, I get these at the dollar store. These are actually great for putting on the bottom of the boxes for the feet, you know. They actually look pretty good. Tonight I bought two more little project boxes. I kind of like this one here a lot more. It's kind of high, and of course it's got the latch on the front. Open up. It's got a nice little closure, lots of room. Put a few knobs on it, whatever. And paid $4 Canadian at a Dollarama for that one, and purchased this one tonight as well. It's also got the latch, opens up. It's a rectangle one. Put a nice one again. Put a couple knobs on it, whatever. And this one's also $4 at the Dollarama. So that's where I get my little project boxes. They're not too hellishly expensive, and it does the job. I built this radio here, receiver the other night, and when I put the video up, I had, I think the Klaus, was interested in buying this radio. Well, you know, it's not what I call one of my best builds. It works, sure, but it's not one of my better builds by no means. And I mean, how much do you really ask for something like that, price-wise? I mean, I have no idea. I just built that just for the heck of building it. The circuit from that was out of Popular Electronics magazine from the 1960s, the all-bander, and it's actually a good little circuit. I built one back in 2002, which is in this aluminum case. I've done a couple of videos on it. It was actually one of the better ones, I think. But I just wanted to build another tube radio, just to say I built it. But I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of tearing it apart, build another one. I don't know. Thinking about it. But anyways, there we have it. But these wooden cases comes in handy, for sure. And again, you get them cheap at the Dollarama, which brings me back, or I should say brings me to this awesome receiver. Everybody must know this radio from the mid 1970s, 76 I guess, the realistic DX160. I originally owned this one way back when, and I ended up selling it, I think, selling it or trading it, whatever, to me buddy Chris. He owns CBW, and he's had this radio a long time. The radio still works, no issue. Still works okay, but it has issues around the audio circuit that the radio can be on, and all of a sudden the volume would drop right down to, you almost got to max the volume control. And that, of course, as we all know, is caused by electrolytic capacitors. So I'm going to spend a bit of time and recap this little receiver. It's not a whole lot of capacitors on her, but it might be a dozen there probably. So it's not going to be that big of a job. But yeah, the DX1. So if you listen in the background, you hear some like static and kind of like the volume drops out for a split second at a time. That's static from the radio. Bad capacitors.